What are you doing? Yeah. What's this? What's this?
It's a big ice cream scoop. Now give me the red thingy. Why? The red thingy. No, the pasta one. Yes, this one. Mama, look what I'm doing. Actually,
Can I have a strawberry vanilla smoothie? Here.
Good afternoon, kids and mommies. My grandparents is inviting you to join our
Yellow, make it.
class in our diet area. I exactly 5:15 p.m. If you want to improve your creativity and imagination, then this is your chance. See you all, kids. Thank you. This is your chance. See you all, kids. Thank you.
And cream. Wow, it looks so good. Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you. It's for 500. Open. The label too. Oh!
Dalia, make him the pancakes. What are you doing?
Putting fruit salad. Yummy. Oh no.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Ready to the review
Thank
of a
you.
fantastic afternoon here in Kidzuna. All right, kids! Tingnan niyo lahat ng yung ating mga kids sa ating bobo.
Thank you.
Sabi po kayo sa ating gaganaping arts and crafts today. This is free. Okay, arts and crafts today. This is free. And count of 10. 9. Dito po tayo dito. 8. 7. Sabi natin, sali ka, dali. 6, 5, harap po tayo dito. Harap po sa akin, harap. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, habol tayo, habol. Yan, very good. Okay? Harap po dito, harap. Ayan, dito po tayo, dali. Okay. Ayan. Dito po tayo. Stand na po tayo. Okay, mag-warm up. Dance po muna tayo. Okay. Ayan. Hi! Hello! Alright. Before po tayo mag-start sa ating warm up, magpapakilala po muna kami. Okay, ako po pala si Ate Uni, your host po today. And kasama ko po si Ate Jen. Say hi po kay Ate Jen. Hi! Okay. Ayan, may tanong si Ate. Sino yung magaling dito sumayaw? Taas ang kamay. Who knows how to dance? Sino? Alright, okay. Basic lang po yung ating mga steps. Yung first step po natin is shake your hands, single, single. And then, shake your hands, double, double. Okay, yung second step po natin is swing your hands. Yes. Okay? And then swing your hands again. And then turn around. Alright. Okay? Ready na ba sa ating dance? Basic lang po, kaya lang kami. Okay. Music please, Ate Jen. Okay, sunod po kayo sa akin, ha? Ready? Okay, ready? Shake your hands. Double, double, shake. Double, double. Shake your hands. Single. Okay. Okay, swing your hands. Okay, turn around. Okay, swing your hands ulit.
Dalia.
Okay, pose. Alright, sit down po tayo sa ating floor. Please sit down. Alright, dahil demonstrate po sa atin. So, namin sa inyo yung ating, thank you, yung ating arts and crafts today. Ayan, no? Behave naman ang ating mga kids. Ayan, okay, nandito po yung ating gagawin. This is, we call this a surprise gift. Alright, ang gagawin lang po natin, kukulayin lang po natin yan siya ng yellow, and then red, at saka green. Alright, and then the last one, susulatan po natin siya ng ating wish dito. Ano man po yung ating mga wish? Kung wish nyo na makita natin si Santa Claus sa Christmas Eve, okay lang po yun. Kung wish natin na magkaroon tayo na basic lang po yan, okay? Let's proceed. Stand up na po tayo. Dito tayo sa ating table. Ayan. And then, hands on your lap po yung on your lap mga kids. Hands on your lap. That's it. Okay, usod lang po tayo. Ayan. Alright, sino pa yung walang upuan? Ito pa po. Dito tayo. Okay, hands on your lap
Ayan. Yellow. Isa po ayan. Okay, yung ribbon lang po.
Sige, bilisan mo. Una. Yan na. Kulay ito. Kulay ito. Ah, where's Liam?
Alright, habang pinukulayan po natin yung ating mga gifts, may first na tanong si ate. Sino nakakaalam kung saan nakatira si Santa Claus? Taas ang kamay. Where Santa Claus live? Saan? What's your name, bebe? Alright. Where Santa Claus live? Saan mo nakatira si Santa Claus? Alright, very good. May alam si ate. Very good. Si Santa Claus po ay nakatira sa North Pole. Very good. Okay, habang kinukulayan po natin yung ating surprise gift. May second na tanong si ate. Anong date po natin sineselebrate yung Christmas? Yung nakakaalam. Alright, talagang dala si ate. Okay, kailan?
December 2020, December 25.
Ay,
Green na, green. Red.
okay. Very good. Yan, apply ko natin yung pagiging natin. Creative. Alright, next question. Third question natin. May tanong pa si ate. Ano pa po yung nilalagay natin sa ating Christmas tree? Maliban po sa star. Ano pa po? Ano po yung nilalagay natin? Ano po yun? Regalo. Okay. Yung pinakabit po natin yung design po ng ating Christmas tree. Except po sa star. What else? Iba na naman. Oh, wait lang po. Ako yung alright. Okay. Next po the color right here. Ribbon. Alright, sino nakakaalam? Ano po yung nilalagay natin sa ating Christmas tree? Yung pinaka-design natin sa Christmas tree. Except po sa star. Alright, very good. Okay.
Wow!
What else?
Talia,
On
show
the
me.
next, okay, what else? Sino nakakaalam?
Tara na.
What's inside your gift, Talia? What's
Ayan,
inside it?
pili po natin yan siyang lagyan.
What?
Christmas. Ayan, I want cars. I want
Adam, what?
toys.
Adam,
Gusto po natin
what's
ng
inside your
wish.
gift? What's this?
Alright, po yung
That's the red. I'm going to be yeah.
Uy. Ayan, last question ni ate habang nagsusulat po tayo ng ating mga wish. May last question si ate. Ano po yung natatanggap natin tuwing Christmas? Ulit! Kizona, you will shout hooray! Ayun, very good. Okay, sit down po tayo. Sit down kami, babe. And then, sa lahat po ng ating mga parents and guardians, please prepare your po from Garchats. Pwede po ako kalimutan ito sa ating
What are you doing? You're sick? And your medicine is dragon fruit?
I got mushrooms.